understand the application of artificial intelligence. Nowadays, artificial intelligence help in predicting the future, have making a chatbots. There is a self-driving cars which can automatically driven by the computers, so the chances of accident is very less. Next is our Google AI eye detectors. The AI music composer. There is a AI dream machine which can give us a 60% accuracy of unrealistic things which we see in our dreams. So basically, by this we have to know that our AI is going to already implemented in current time. So there we ready to go towards the AI. Today is the era of AI. If you know AI, it's best for you. So guys, don't skip this video till watch this video till end. Now it's a time to discuss about our artificial intelligence. Basically, artificial intelligence is a capability of machine to intimate the intelligent behavior of the computer of or human brain, and we have getting it by mimicking a human brain like that. They have understand, the machine can understand how the human brain thinks, the machine can understand how it learns and work it to solve the problems. Machine learning playing a very crucial role. With machine learning, we have some another subsets of artificial intelligence with this ML and deep learning. Basically, deep learning is a subset of ML and ML is a subset of artificial intelligence, and the whole things make the artificial intelligence. The big thing is our AI and their subparts are ML and deep learning. Deep learning basically use like a neuron network structure for decision making like a human brain. So now we discuss these things one by one. First of all, we have to understand ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI which provides the computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. What it means? It means basically we have trained our machine on a previous data which have large number of data set, and because of that data set we have create a model, and that model helps to make a decision making on its new learning. So for example, I considered a data set of a flower, and basically we have some flowers, we have some traits in the data set like petal length, petal width, species, and that is considered as our input, and model can transform it and do it. Next is our limitations. What are the limitations of ML? Basically, ML is not capable for working for high dimensional data set which have high dimensionalities, which have large number of features, and it cannot be extracted. Basically, lot of machine power is required in that thing. That's why ML is very less compatible with the three-dimensional data structure. So if the complexity of the of your data is increases, the time to make that thinking for that decision making is also increased. So in real life, image processing, NLP, image translation, it can only be solved by the concept of deep learning, which plays a crucial role in this game towards the AI. So basically we have to understand these are the basic limitation of machine learning, and so we can rescue it by the deep learning. Now how deep learning works? Basically deep learning is implemented by a neural networks like a human brain which have neurons, and that neurons have taking a signals, and that signals have sum up all the, like that we have to redesign our brain as a neural network, and we have a brain cell called neurons, and that is inspired as an artificial neuron which is called perceptron we have developed. So we have focused on the biological neuron, that is dendrite, receive the input. Basically here is also we have input layer, some hidden layers, and then output layer. So we have to understand in further videos, we have you have to understand with us that how these layers are formed we also discuss on that part. But today our major concept is about, like, we have make the overview of that thing of deep learning, how it works. Basically we have a like we have a image, and that image have lot of patterns in it. First, in input layer we have considered a pattern of local contrast of that image, like we have a feature extraction methods, and in image recognizing we have patterns, and on the basis of contrast, on the basis of colors, on the basis of your eye circles, okay, like which have a contrasting features, that thing is going to pass one by one, one by one, and after that in the output time our face is deducted. So basically pixel by pixel it can be reduced. Like there is a deep learning case in handwritten digits, like we have an input image of 7. In first layer it can be filtered by some weights, okay. For that we have using a 5 by 5 pixel in this photo as you see, okay. In the next layer we have making some channels of that thing. In another layer it goes, in another layer is full connected layer, okay. One we also discuss in further videos about these layers, what are they working and why we are using it, we also discuss on it. So guys, don't worry, basically you have to understand like this type of layers is there in deep learning.